YouTube, good morning, y'all. It's right now about to be 4 a.m. in the morning. As you know, I was trading London session today, and I just finished trading, man. And one of the things that I like doing once I'm done trading is I like to do a 30-minute run. So that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. And I don't really have much time because I do have to go to work as well. So I'm gonna get this 30-minute run over with, and I'm gonna see if I have the time to explain to y'all the trade that I took today. Because today, man, today was an amazing day. We got a win, but the trade happened so fast because I trade my live account and I trade my challenge account as well. And today's trade, man, it happened so fast that I was only able to get on my challenge account, and I couldn't get into in the live account. But the amazing news is that now we only need $12 to be officially funded with 250K, man. So I'm gonna just call it a day, man. Even though we didn't make real money, we got very close to getting the 550K challenge accounts passed today, man, which is amazing. But anyways, like I said, I don't really have much time. I might get this 30-minute run over with, but gonna go back inside and I'm gonna see if I have the time to explain to y'all the trade. But if I don't have the time to explain to y'all the trade, I'm gonna just explain it later on in the day when I come back from work. So yeah, man, let's get this 30-minute run and let's get this day started, man. All right, and just like that, we finished the 30-minute run, man. I feel great. I feel amazing. Somehow, when you win in the market, it's like you get more energy, because I don't feel as tired as I normally feel when I'm done with this 30-minute run. Like, like your mind is like positive, so it's not really thinking about being tired because you started your morning in such a good way that the negative things like waking up early, being tired, don't really affect your mind because you're having such a beautiful day, man. We got to win. 30-minute run over with. We are already ahead of many people, man. Many people in this world. Like, I'm already traded. I did a 30-minute run, and it's only 4:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm about to go shower right now. Get ready to go to work. I cannot promise you guys that I will explain this trade to y'all because I still gotta let my body cool down a little bit, shower quickly, and like I said, I do have to leave at 5, be a little bit before 5, like 4:45, because I gotta go pick up other people. So yeah, man, most likely I'm gonna just wait until I come back from work, and then I might explain to y'all this trade. Hopefully these trades are helping you a lot, man, because this is a new strategy that I've been using for literally 3 days, 4 days, 3 days, 4 days. And I think if I lost, I probably lost only once. Like, it's been winning through winning through winning through winning. It's crazy, man. But anyways, like I said, I gotta get ready, so I'm gonna see you guys when I see you guys. Yeah, it turns out that I don't have the time to break this trade down. So, like I said, I'm gonna just do it when I come back from work. So right now, we're heading to work. I gotta go pick up some people right now. And yeah, man, I'm gonna be taking you guys with me throughout my day. If you wanna see the trade, a breakdown of the trade that I took today, then you guys can stay tuned and wait until the end of the video, or you can just skip the whole entire thing and go to the end of the video where I'm gonna have this explanation, man. But yeah, beautiful day beautiful day today. It's only 5 a.m. I'm already feeling a very good day today. We're basically funded, bro. I can literally just click a button, buy or sell, go up in profits for one single point, one single tick, and I'm out, man. Next trade that I take is gonna be basically a very low risk, and as soon as I get this $12, bro, I'm taking it out, maybe 15 or 20 for the fees, and walking away, bro. Walking away, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be that simple. So tomorrow might be the day. I don't want to say too much, you know what I'm saying? But tomorrow might be the day that we get funded. All right, man. So right now, I just ended up dropping off everybody who I took to work. We're going back to the house, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm going to the house a little bit later than usual because right before we were about to leave, there was a problem with whatever the thing is that we were doing with the carpet, and it's one of those problems that there is like a problem with no classes. Like this type of problems, they don't teach you how to fix it. This type of things, it's a problem, is an original problem that you have to figure it out. You have to see what you're gonna do, how to fix it, you know, with the experience that you have and the things that you have learned. You have to put it all together and see how you fix this problem that nobody has ever seen before. So we had one of those type of problems today, and that's the reason why we stayed a little bit later. But it's not too late, man. It's only about to be 5 right now, so it's like half an hour later than usual. So yeah, man, we're, like I said, I'm going back to the house, and I still gotta break down the trade that I took. I'm still gonna explain it. I still haven't forgotten. But before I do that, man, I want to do this ab workout because that's the first thing I want to do, because if I don't want to find an excuse to not do it, you know. I want to get it done. I want to get it over with. I want to know that, okay, I got the ab workout. Now I can feel good about myself because I got the hardest things of the days already done. And then I'm gonna explain to y'all the trade that I took. I'm gonna break it down and everything. So I still got some things I gotta do when I go back to the house, and I gotta do them quickly because I do have to go to sleep early today because I am waking up early tomorrow so we can trade the London session again tomorrow. And remember, we only need $12 to be funded, so we might be funded tomorrow. I don't want to say that we are gonna be funded because, you know, worst case scenario, we go straight to drawdown and we do not get funded tomorrow, man. So let me not say that, but there's a very high chance that we're going to be funded tomorrow, man. So yeah, let me go back to the house and stay tuned for those things, man. Yeah, man, like I literally just got from work. I took my shirt off, put some shorts on, cleaned this a little bit, you know. Like right now, I might be looking a little bit fat, and that's because I just ate and I had a lot of water. So listen, this is the how we're working on with. This is what we're working with right now. But I'm gonna be showing you guys the results that we get, you know what I'm saying, throughout the months. But yeah, man, let me do this workout, and I'm gonna see you guys whenever is it that I'm about to break down the trade for y'all. So peace. We just finished doing the 20-minute ab workout. As you guys can't see, I'm sweating. I'm feeling tired, bro. And I was gonna go shower right now. I was gonna let my body cool down a little bit before I went to shower. But you know, I've just might as well just record this video and explain to y'all this trade that I took this morning while my body's cooling down. So let's get to the charts. Boom. As you guys can see, this is a trade. As always, we use 5-minute confluence. This is the 5-minute chart, and this is the 1-minute chart. And as always, if you guys want to see the trades that I take first thing in the morning, then go follow me on IG, man. I post my trades on IG first thing in the morning before I even upload this video. So if you want to see the trades that I take first thing in the morning, then go follow me on IG, man. But anyways, man, let me explain to y'all this trade that I took. And as always, I come into the market at 3 a.m. in the morning because I was trading London session. So let me get rid of all of this. Let me get rid of the 1-minute chart because I'm gonna break this trade down from the beginning, from zero, so y'all can understand what I was looking at from zero. You know what I'm saying? First thing that I always do is that I like to go to the 1 hour time frame just to see what the 1 hour time frame is doing. And as you guys can see right now, we have this bullish momentum towards the upside, and I also see that we have this 1 hour demand down here that the market can potentially come down to this demand to then continue to push up from this point. You know what I'm saying? So that was my bias coming into the market. I'm expecting the market to go up, but before it goes up, it might come down here to then continue to go up. So that is my bias looking at the 1 hour. So then I go to the 5-minute time frame and I look at what the 5-minute time frame is doing. And what do I see? I see that we have this this resistance up here. We have this resistance. We have, if you know about resistance, this is looking like a M pattern. An M pattern is basically this, comes down, comes up, and then once we form this M pattern, what we normally do is we continue to push down. So looking at this, I'm expecting the market now to come towards the bottom so we can come down to this 1 hour demand down here. So like I said, I'm trading the 5 minute using the 1 minute as an entry. So but I'm using the 5 minute for confluence. So me seeing this, I don't have any entries to take at this point, just because the 5 minute is not showing me anything. The move, it has already been made. The move is already telling me that we're going towards the bottom. So I just let the market open. Like I said, I come into the market at 3 a.m. That's when London session opens. So I just look up what the market is doing, and as you guys can see, it's coming down right there. And yeah, right there. When I see this happening, when I see that we made this resistance up here, like the market couldn't break above this high. You know what I'm saying? When I see that we couldn't break above this high right here, I literally I was expecting the market to come towards the bottom, to even go even lower to the 1 hour demand, right? So I see we're making this resistance. I see that we have the 50 moving average right there as well. That is also being used as a resistance level where the market might come up here. Didn't break above the 50 moving average, and now it's going towards the bottom. So me seeing that, I go to the 1 minute time frame. So this the confluence that we have in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and then this is the confluence that we have when we come to the 1 minute time frame. This is what I'm looking at. Now, what am I waiting for when I come into the 1 minute? I'm waiting for the 1 minute to break underneath the 13 moving average, and the 13 moving average is this blue line that goes along the price. There's a blue line right there. So I'm just waiting for a candle, a 1 minute candle, to break underneath and to close underneath the 13 moving average. So as you guys can see, this candle right here, this red candle, broke underneath and it closed underneath. So when I see that happening, what I do is I get an entry. I put my entry right there, I get in, and I put my stop loss above the candle. And I was aiming, I forgot how much I was aiming for, but I think I got out somewhere around there. So like a 1 to 3.5 almost. That's how much I was, that's how much I was winning in this trade. A 1 to 3.5, which is not bad, It literally happened in like 5 minutes. It was crazy in profits. And I missed the entry in the live account. So I only traded the funded account, the challenge account. I couldn't enter with my live account because you see this, bro, like it literally didn't give me no time. Like I was calculating the risk, and by the time that I finished calculating how many contracts I was going to use here, I get in with the challenge account, and then I was waiting for a pullback so I can get in again with the live account. But it didn't come back up again. I just went straight down. So it is what it is, man. Like I said, we're $12 away from being funded, so I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad about the fact that we even lost the chance to trade on the live account, because look at this. We have a 1.5K and a 1.2K, 2 days, 2 winning days, big winning days, which is giving me a total of nearly $3,000 in profit, and we're still getting traded tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So I'm satisfied with this results that we're having, even though we missed the trade that we took today. If we were to take it, it would have been like a $4,000 week, which is crazy. I know it's crazy, sounds crazy, man, but we're gonna show up again tomorrow, and we're not gonna let the fact that we missed this trade today affect us tomorrow when we get in the market, man. So yeah, man, this is the explanation, this is the breakdown. Hopefully he can, you guys are learning something from it. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna just finish this video right here because there's nothing else that I gotta do afterwards. All I gotta do now is edit this video, upload it to YouTube. I might have like a snack or something, and then read the Bible and then go to sleep so I can wake up early tomorrow again. So there's literally nothing else for me to show. So I'm gonna just end this video right here, man. And as always, y'all stay safe, y'all stay productive, y'all stay disciplined in the markets, and make sure that you have a relationship with the highest, man, Jesus Christ. Y'all stay safe, man. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. And without further ado, this video is now over.